1997 से अविनाश ग्रुप निरंतर आपको अपनी सेवाएं देते आ रहे हैं और अब तक हमने 30 लाख वर्ग फीट से ज़्यादा का निर्माण किया है। इसी कड़ी में मैग्नेटो मॉल आज हम आपको देने जा रहे हैं और मेरी शुभकामनाएं आप सबके साथ है कि आप सब मिलके इस माल को छत्तीसगढ़ की पहचान बना सकें। धन्यवाद।
आज अविनाश ग्रुप रायपुर में 13 वर्षों से कार्यरत है और समय समय पर रायपुर की ज़रूरत के हिसाब से हमने नए नए प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च किए हैं। उसी श्रृंखला को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हमने मैग्नेटो एक इंटरनेशनल मॉल का स्वरूप देने की कोशिश की है। मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सबको मैग्नेटो पसंद आएगा।
Magneto, the mall. People of Raipur, congratulations on being the privileged recipients of your very own first international mall. अविनाश ग्रुप है रायपुर सिटी में एक जाना पहचाना नाम, जिसके यंग और टेक्निकली क्वालिफाइड डायरेक्टर्स ने रायपुर को दिए हैं कई प्रेस्टिजियस और एलीट हाउसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स। अविनाश डेवलपर्स bring to you their grandest achievement and Raipur city's greatest pride, Magneto, the mall. The world comes to Raipur.
Life is beautiful, the man that celebrates with your loved ones. Time is for happiness.
A truly international experience, the ultimate fun and entertainment zone in Raipur city, Magneto, the mall. After acclaimed and groundbreaking projects in Raipur city, our young and visionary MD, Anand Singhania, is ready to take the idea of globalization to new levels with his project.
With the opening of Magneto, Raipurians are going to have a truly international mall experience. Magneto the Mall, Central India's largest mall, is also unique in its own way. Magneto, we have associated with leaders in all segments, whether it's leaders in multiplex, leaders in food court, in gaming or in apparels. In Magneto, we have guaranteed footfall assurance on Monday to Friday. I hope you have truly international mall experience in Magneto.
A project involving country's hotshot names from the architecture world. Hafiz Contractor, one of India's leading architects and the most celebrated name in the world of Indian architecture.
Projects like this, like the Magneto Mall, are really very good for a country like ours, which brings in the new kind of life to these second-tiered cities.
The most awaited project in Raipur city, involving a new horde of young and talented architects from India. The very young and dynamic architect Manish Tauri.
Magneto Mall is one of the finest example of architecture design of international standard, and I feel very proud to be a part of this design team.
Magneto the Mall have 1 million square feet का pure fun zone, 10,35,000 square feet of extravaganza that packs a million attractions. Magneto का नाम already India के top 20 malls में शुमार हो चुका है, जिसमें Inorbit Mall का नाम भी है. Now Raipur city can boast of having the largest and the most elite mall in central India. Magneto Mall बनने जा रहा है trendsetter with their unique and innovative marketing concept, Monday to Friday footfalls. With our strategic alliance with world's top brands and 108-room business hotel, we offer over 150 plus tastefully done expansive office spaces with all modern facilities in Magneto or Pizzo. All this at zero maintenance for the next 5 years. At Magneto, we have an entire floor dedicated to your corporate needs in Magneto Conclave. Business meeting point with a modern, stylish and well-equipped conference hall meets all international standards and suits perfectly to the new age professionals. Magneto Heart at first floor is dedicated to showcasing the retail heritage of the region and would be an ideal platform to promote products. So people, get ready to take your business to new levels with Magneto.
I saw different malls coming up, but I found that this mall is more interest to us. 2 hotels with cinema, with entertainment, with hypermarket. For the west side, this was a perfect mall.
आज ये स्काई ऑटोमोबाइल्स और पूरे रायपुर वासियों के लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है कि ये जो आप शोरूम देख रहे हैं, ये इंडिया का फर्स्ट शोरूम है जो मारुति ने किसी मॉल पे स्टार्ट किया है। मारुति के लिए भी एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट था। इसमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो कि मारुति ने आउट ऑफ वे जाके जो है सीआई चेंज किया अपना इस शोरूम को बनाने के लिए। तो ये हम सब के लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है। मैं पूरे रायपुर वासियों को अपनी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ।
I would like to congratulate everyone involved with the Magneto Mall in Raipur. The world now comes to Raipur with Magneto Mall, with all the brands coming under one roof. It is definitely a premium entertainment destination and a shopping destination. And with it, we also bring you PVR cinemas. We brought PVR across the nation to discerning viewers. And with this facility also, we hope to provide wholesome entertainment to the people of Raipur.
We present you Grand Hyatt, a 108-room business hotel from the Saraf Group that will redefine the concept of business hotels in Raipur.
Magneto basically is a very large retail development, probably a mixed-use development being done by Avinash Group. Among our 7 properties, the flagship are 5 of the properties being managed by Hyatt. One of them is Grand Hyatt Mumbai. We are looking that this property should be operational early 2011. We have an inventory of about 120 rooms in this property, and we are sure that Raipur, being a developing city, would create a large potential for us.
Magneto का फूड कोर्ट सर्व करता है a variety of cuisines and delicious food, sure to tickle all taste buds.
रायपुर में अभी मैग्नेटो माल देखा, हम अपना ब्रांड भी मैग्नेटो के साथ बिकानो फूड कोर्ट खोल रहे हैं। आप सब रायपुर वासियों को हमारी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
मैग्नेटो में है एक एक्सक्लूसिव गेमिंग जोन, वो भी वर्ल्ड क्लास फैसिलिटीज के साथ, जो आपके गेमिंग एक्सपीरियंस को बनाता है टोटली अमेजिंग।
टाइम जोन वी आर इन द बिजनेस ऑफ फैमिली एंटरटेनमेंट सेंटर, मतलब for every member in the family we bring games so that you come to the mall and relax. Time Zone, we're present in 7 countries, and in India we have established brand in the metros. Now we want to come to the tier 2 cities, which is Raipur.
अविनाश डेवलपर्स की तरफ से रायपुर के लोगों के लिए एक ग्रैंड बेहतरीन तोहफा, मैग्नेटो द मॉल, because people of Raipur deserve nothing but the best.
साथ चले पल है खुशियों के ले आएंगे घर. It's the time for fun and shopping together. The place is Magneto.
Magneto the Mall, a million attractions. The world comes to Raipur.
The world is coming to Raipur.
The world comes 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 to Raipur.
The world come to Raipur.
The world comes to Raipur. The world comes to Raipur.
World comes to Raipur.
The world comes to Raipur.
The world comes to Raipur.
The world comes to Raipur.